Hello student, now we study about role of microbes in industrial production. So useful product produced during fermentations, they are of following type. So first one, that is, they are useful for production of organic acid. Second, production of vitamin. Third, for production of alcoholic beverage. Fourth, production of antibiotic. Fifth, for production of enzyme. And the last one, gibberellin production. So these are different products produced after fermentation with the help of microbes. So the first one, that is production of organic acid. So organic acid, they are produced with the help of two different ways. The first, that is, they directly form from glucose, that is gluconic acid, and second, they are formed as end product from pyruvate or ethanol. So there are different type of organic acid and the source of these organic acids are different. So first organic acid, it is used, these are citric acid. So first one, that is citric acid. The microbe used for production of citric acid is Aspergillus niger, and the uses, citric acid, it is used in confectionery. The second, that is gluconic acid. So the source of this gluconic acid, it is mostly Aspergillus niger, and the uses for this gluconic acid, it is used in medicine for solubility of calcium ion. The next one, that is fumaric acid. So fumaric acid, it is produced with the help of microbe Rhizopus aureus, and the main function or main uses of this Rhizopus aureus, that is, it is used in resin as wetting agent. The next one, that is fourth organic acid, is acetic acid. So acetic acid, it is produced with the help of microorganism. This microorganism is Acetobacter aceti, and the use of this acetic acid, it is used in preservation of food material. Acetic acid, it is also called as vinegar. So these are different organic acid produced in different production. Now the second one, that is production of vitamin. So definition of this vitamin. So definition of vitamin, it is organic nitrogenous compound capable of performing many life sustaining function inside our body. Character of this vitamin. So first character, they cannot be synthesized by human except vitamin D. So they have to supply in small amount in diet. There are different example of vitamin. So the example for these vitamins, first example thiamine, second example, that is riboflavin, third example, that is pyridoxine, fourth beta carotene, it is also called as vitamin A. Next biotin, ascorbic acid, vitamin B12, ergosterol, that is provitamin D. So there are different vitamins and their source. So first vitamin, that is vitamin B2, and the microbial source for production of vitamin B2, it is Neurospora gospi. The second source, that is Eremothecium ashby. Next, vitamin B12. So microorganism used for this production of vitamin B12, these are Pseudomonas dendrificans. Number third, vitamin C, and the microorganism used as the source of vitamin C, it is Aspergillus niger. So these are different organic acid as well as vitamin produced with the help of microbes.